2 prototypes. We win the awards, all the awards that you have to do when you do a revolution like this. And in the year 2001, we started with the first 10 machines, okay? And with a commercial startup.
منم سلام عرض میکنم خدمت همه دوستان. البته حالا توی این به اصطلاح معرفی اولیه فکر نکنم خیلی مطلب خاصی باشه برای ترجمه، چون همه اونجا هست، ولی باز اگه لازم بدونین من خدمتتون بگم دیگه. کراجت از 1998 به عنوان اولین تولید کننده ماشین چاپ دیجیتال وارد بازار شد و سال به سال حالا به اصطلاح دستیابی پیدا کردن به هر هدفی که اینجا همه شرح داده شده. وارد قسمت‌های بعدی که شدیم من خدمتتون هستم.
Yes. Later we started with the formats that were increasing. We started with the pigmentings. We put our first plotter. Now today we have 2 machines, the plotter and the master machine. And in 2006 we put the first machine already in Iran. Anyway, a little bit of the history, more interesting. 2008, the first GS printed. In 2009, the first with the recirculation system. 2010, already we had 500 printers installed all around the world. Okay. More, the year 2012, we started with a new brand of machines, the Master, the Echo, the Mini, that we can see all around Iran. And we have a new one, which we will introduce more or less what we can do. The year 2013, we already had 1,000 printers all around the world. And in the year 2014, it became our second revolution in digital printing, we believe. It's when we developed the printed K9 for solid deposition. We also received the award of the Spanish Society for this. And it was able to to apply solid in a digital way. This was the year 2014. The year 2015, we put the first machines on production for testing in Spain. And in the year 2017, we are commercially start to sell. I will try to explain with all detail what we can do with our digital Kerajet Solid K9 digital printer machine. Okay.
میفهمن در سال 2014 به اصطلاح اولین هدای K9 رو معرفی کردن برای چاپ خشک و چاپ سالید که بابت این یه جایزه هم دریافت کردن از خدمت شما عرض کنم انجمن سرامیک اسپانیا. خدمت شما عرض کنم از سال 2015 دیگه ماشین وارد بازار شد. الان دیگه 1-2 ساله که داره کار میکنه و خدمت شما عرض کنم امروز یه توضیح راجع به ماشین سالید خواهیم داد.
Last year, we introduced our first full Kerajet production line for special pieces with coldings and electrical kiln, something interesting. But in the year 2016, also we started to produce another project that we have for textile, for tableware, and we introduced our new Master S7 machine. Okay. Also, we presented the first full digital decoration line on the market. Okay, with the K9 solid, with printers for glaze, and up to date. Okay, we ended the last year with more or less 2,400 machines. So we believe we have some knowledge in this digital printing.
تو سال 2016 اولین خط کامل کراجت رو برای خط لعاب البته معرفی شده. همینطور تو همین سال 5 تا ماشین تکستایل رو برای خدمت شما کنم چاپ روی پارچه، چاپ دیجیتال پارچه انجام دادن و همینطور اولین ماشینای خدمت شما کنم تولید چینی مظروف تیبلور. معرفی ماشین مستر S7 هم تو همین سال صورت گرفته که آخرین ماشین چاپ دیجیتال کاشی هست و خط کامل به اصطلاح تولید خط لعاب کامل که شامل دستگاه دیجیتال لعاب، دستگاه چاپ و همینطور دستگاه دکوریشن به اصطلاح گرانیلیا یا همون چاپ خشک. تا الان هم تا سال آخر 2016 بوده 2400 ماشین در کشورهای دنیا، کشورهای مختلف در حال کاره که میگه ما باور داریم دیگه با این تعداد ماشین حرفی واسه گفتن داریم.
Really, this was only the history to understand that what I present today is not a project. What I present today, we will see machines working. It has a lot of work behind. To present something it takes time. Kerajet today, we are working on ceramic. We are mainly ceramists. We started also in textile, always in digital printing, in tableware, in building materials. Also, we are printing in glass, in mosaic. We will see really brief our machines in the other sectors, and after we will enter into the ceramic field.
امروز کراجت فقط دیگه متمرکز روی سرامیک نیست، چاپ روی پارچه، چینی مظروف، محصولات ساختمانی و همینطور شیشه رو توی کاراش تو دستور کار داره که همه رو داره توسعه میده. یه کوچولو راجع به هر کدوم یه ویدیویی خواهیم دید، خیلی کوتاه. Only one.
Only one, no?
I don't know.
No.
The same problem that we were thinking about.
From here is no.
Sorry, یه دقیقه صبر کنید.
Sorry, one second. Please. Can we load again? Anyway, it's while we load again, we are in the already we have machinery for tableware. We are printing plates, bowls. Really, for us, we think is a revolution also on the. It's going to be a revolution even, we believe, even bigger than on the ceramics, because the process on the tableware is still even more manual than it was on the manufacturing. It was the decoration part is much more manual than it was on the ceramic. Is it working now? Anyway, we won't see the videos. If you need to see, if some of them, I hope the rest they work. Wait a second. Anyway, we have machinery.
متاسفانه فیلم ها رو نشد ببینیم، نمیدونم چرا، چون یه فیلم کوتاهی راجع به تکستایل بود و یه دونم راجع به تیبل ور، اینم راجع به متریال ساختمانیه که باز فیلمش پخش نمیشه اینجا.
Okay, in the building materials also we started to work on fiber cement. We started to work during the last years. The ceramic field, it was the only field it was digitally decorated, so you were stealing the markets of other products. Now there is solutions also for them to recover a little bit your market. Okay, they want to take something back. Fiber cement, they started to decorate. Also, we are decorating on woods. We are decorated on roof tiles. We are decorating on PVC. Many other. All the world, it looks like it's crazy for digital decoration now. And there is solutions for nearly most of the materials.
برای اکثر متریال ساختمانی از PVC، چوب، فیبرای سیمانی و همه اینا دارن کار میکنن، چون به نظر میرسه که کلا دنیا دنبال این قضیه هست و یه به اصطلاح انقلابی توی این صنعت در حال انجامه با چاپ دیجیتال.
Yes, no, it's for what is this part, okay, really it's not related with ceramic, it's glass and mosaic, most probably the people they will interested. We also printed, some years ago, we started printing glass for small companies, for bathrooms and kitchens and everything. Today, mosaic also we are printing since many years ago for ceramic mosaic. And we made also a jump on the automotive sector, okay, for digital printing. It's not really related with ceramics, but if the videos they don't work also for ceramic, I need to solve this. Okay, so anyway, finish explain and yeah, it's coming. Well, at least they are working. For example, our Kerajet machine, okay? Our Kerajet machine with S7, even with the previous ones, we can print really big formats, okay? We have machines that we are printing up to 3.2 meters wide, okay? Long, many. Even we are printing, we have Kerajet machines after laminas, after continuous, from other also companies that they have their own digital printer, but they still buy the customer, maybe they prefer Kerajet, okay?
ایشون به اصطلاح دستگاه کراجت مخصوص اسلب رو نشون داد که عرضش تا 3 متر و 20 و طولش هر چقدر که مشتری بخواد. میگه که برای خطای لمینا و کانتینیوها و اینا استفاده شده. حالا کما اینکه خود اون شرکت ها ماشین خودشون هم دارن، ولی خیلی جا هم کراجت گذاشتن. خدمت شما هستم. الان این فیلمی که داره نشون میده داره به اصطلاح سرعت و کارایی ماشین رو نشون میده که با 80 متر در دقیقه داره کاشی تولید میکنه و روی یه دونه، اینم کیفیت به اصطلاح چاپشه، و روی ماشین تا 35,000 متر مربع در روز داره تولید میکنه. Come back to the history.
I always come back to.
It's
yes,
very important.
it's important to know it. Wait a second, sorry. We will not see the videos of textiles to not lose your time or the. If you are interested, really is another. Maybe some people, oh, I have also a tableware factory, or I have some friend that they can be interested, or I have a plant for mosaic. Please, this afternoon there is also the exhibition. We have a booth there. We can come and we can see it in detail. Okay.
It's fine if you show the video of the mosaic. It can be.
It's. Okay, the full digital glazing line that we speak, that we can apply inks, glazes, solids, effects. We have the total control, okay? What we are going to explain, the machine, the Kerajet line, and the glaze with the new printers from high download. Sorry. No, it's... Yep. Let me put you the Kerajet line, okay, the idea of the concept, okay? The idea of the future, what we consider, but it don't have to be today to buy a full digital line. It was this. It was to, with one file, only with one design, we can digitally control all the decoration line. Now it really is ready. There is many companies already glazing on digital, applying digital glaze. We have the decoration, we have the granulars, we have effects. There is the new printheads that they have a really high download, and every day this is increasing. It's going to let us do many things, okay? With solid and with printers that now we achieve, I believe with the latest version of SHAR they will introduce, we were achieving 160, 180 grams per square meter. This is a lot. This is to apply everything and at really good speeds, really good speeds. What you can do? You can do pieces that you have never seen, okay? This is the idea, applying the digital way. Or you can do new things, or you can do the things that you used to do in a cheaper and more easy way. Okay.
ایده این بوده که چیزی با تولید بشه که تا الان نشده. ولی خب با داشتن این خط لعاب کامل انقدر ایده های مختلف میشه به وجود آورد که واقعا تا الان ایده ها زاده نشده هنوز.
This is some pieces that we have, but after I want to show you the pieces that today our customers with this kind of machines they are using. Okay, I will pass it. Sorry for the wait. Yes. Okay, the digital line, the most important, really is the machines. We see this video. We have the Kerajet Master S7, okay? It's the evolution of the old Master S61. Really, there is a lot of characteristics there. I can say you that it's most versatile, everything. What I want to remark, really, multi-head technology, removable units, etc., etc. There is one really important thing. Normally, customers, the operator, technical part, it has to be easy to maintain. It has to be cheap to maintain. You have to move it in a good way. And some of these parameters that multi-head technology, okay, but I'm going to buy it with SHAR. Why I want multi-head technology? Up to 12 printing bars, renewable units, yes, active system with good, there is parameters that they are not taken in consideration when you buy a machine. Most of our machines in the year 2010, they already have 12 bars. Why? Because the high lay down, it was coming. Most of the machines that we sold, customer was only using 5, 6. Today he has a machine that he bought 5 years ago, and he can add lusters, he can add granillas, he can apply glaze with printeds that they already exist. You can put them in the same machine that they have 5 years ago. It's really powerful, this kind of the fact to give the opportunity. They don't have one customer that 5 years ago he bought 6 bars and he has full. Today he needs more machinery. It's not really interesting in the technical point, but on the economical point, from the buyer, we consider that it really is interesting. Okay.
مثلا ماشینایی که حتی 5 سال پیش کراجت داده، امروز به راحتی شما میتونید تعداد بار و تعداد رنگش رو افزایش بدید، چون همیشه کراجت سعی کرده که چند سال آینده رو ببینه. برای همین هر ماشین اینجوری نیست، یعنی خیلی جاها شما به دلیل اضافه کردن چند تا رنگ مجبوری کل ماشین رو عوض کنی، ولی تو ماشینای کراجت 6 بار با 12 رنگ که الان با هدایای جدید تو حتی 24 رنگ که البته کسی استفاده نمیکنه، ولی تا اونجا پیش رفته و الان هم اگه کسی ماشین رو بگیره تا سالهای آینده دیگه نیازی به تعویض نداره، چون ماشین آماده شد برای اینکه هر هد جدیدی، هر کار جدیدی به وجود اومد همه رو بتونه ساپورت کنه.
To buy today one machine that in 10 years you still have utility. Okay, yeah, my machine can go up to 32,000 square meter per day, but I only do 5. I don't need it. Okay, I don't need it, but you have it and you know they will have it forever. Okay, but this is the concept of versatility, that sometimes these words, they look only commercial, and no, they have a value. Okay. Multi-head technology, we are using the SHAR, the Matis, we are working with the K9, with the Seiko, with the new, with the old families of all these printers, the medium, the X, the large, the big discharge. Okay, and most of them we can adapt it to most of the machines that we have, even that they have many years, you can do this. In this concept, there is now the hay lay down, okay? We are working on the new SHAR 2001 together with new ZAR, like you said, 2001, and we are getting up to 160 grams square meter and even maybe more. Okay, but this is on working conditions, normal working conditions, high speed, and everything. This is really, really interesting. This is much more than when it existed. Also, with the old SHAR, we are getting really good values of high lay down. So that means that one customer with one machine from the year 2008 with printed SHAR, that maybe he upgraded to the 1003, whatever, today he has a machine that really, really powerful. Okay, one machine with 10 years. He's with the latest technology.
می‌فهمن که انواع هدایایی که جدید داره میاد همشون رو ماشینایی که از قبل مشتری خرید کردن قابل نصب. هد جدید 2000 که دارن کار میکنن روش تا این حداقل عددی که 160 گرم بر متر مربع قابلیت اعمال داره که واقعا عدد بالاییه و میگم این حتی مینیمم، بیشترم میشه. انواع اقسام هدای سیکو، دایماتیکس، اینا در آن واحد روی ماشین قابل نصبه که این یک به اصطلاح چیزیه که فکر نمی‌کنم ماشینای دیگه داشته باشن. یعنی روی ماشین شما روی هد مثلا دایماتیکس داشته باشی واسه اعمال لعاب بیشتر، دونای دیگه زار داشته باشی یا سیکو داشته باشی، نیو سیکو داشته باشی و حتی این هد K9 خود کراجت رو همین ماشین قابل نصب، یعنی حتما نیاز نیست یه ماشین دیگه برای اعمال پودر خشک داشته باشی. رو همین ماشین هد K9 قابل نصبه و رو همین ماشین حالا برای بستگی به تولید میشه یه هد رو تبدیل کرد به هد پودر خشک.
We like to work with multi-head technology. Really, we have been working since our 20 years of history with many printers. Even we developed one in the year 2006, 2007, the K5 for first height they lay down together with Xerox, I remember it was. But to have this chance, customer, which is the best printed, okay, and which is the best car? Is the good thing is to try to offer to the customer, even we can combine them inside. It depends on the product that you produce, the money you have, the conditions you have on the factory, the speed, depending many factors. It's like the car. One car is not the same for me than for my son, than for my father. Everybody needs or wants a different car, okay? And that's why we keep the offer. And it's interesting that you can put them inside the machine, okay? This is, yes. Okay, the solid application, the Kerajet solid K9. Okay, we will see the promotional video, but after I prefer you to see also the production videos, okay? Yes, 1 second. As I said, more or less it was the year 2014 where we developed the printhead. And from having a printhead to have a machine in production, 3 years have passed. A machine, no, really, last year we started to sell. 2 years have passed. But now is real and the results are fantastic and the customers are really happy, okay? We print the granilla in the digital way. We put it wherever we want. There is a difference between applying glue, putting granilla, and blowing. Here, after we will see the power of putting the granilla only where I want. Because I can apply many different granillas on the same design with the same glue. I can do new things. If you compare it, yes, you can do this we already see this kind of products, okay? We will see pieces from the customer that they are always a little bit more interesting. The Kerajet Solid, normally we install it after one Kerajet decoration machine, okay? Basically because they have to go work synchronized. You can work with only one design. And because it's, yes, there is many, it's more easy to, if there is some problem, it's more easy to find the way, okay? The idea is you decorate and after you put one granilla machine. Can we put granilla inside our decoration machine? We have 12 bars. Yes, we can. Can we get all the power from this technology inside my machine? No, because at the end I have 12, okay? So it can be much more interesting, like we will see, to put it in a separate machine.
میگه این ماشین K9 رو بهتره که به صورت یه ماشین مجزا با هدای K9 بعد از ماشین کراجت قرار داد که بتونیم به حد اکثر قابلیت‌های اون دست پیدا کنیم. اگه بخوایم میتونه داخل همون ماشین همونجوری که قبلا گفتم خدمتتون نصب بشه، ولی خب طبیعتاً اون قابلیتی که ماشین تک داشته باشه نداره اون ظرفیت رو و اون چیزی که ما پیشنهاد میدیم اینجوریه که دوتاشون باشن و باشن راحت با هم سینکرونایز میشن.
From the parameters, technical parameters, really, the important thing it can be the resolution. The resolution is the resolution of the grain. Okay, we are talking about 12.5 dpi. We are throwing granilla. Normally, if you throw it really high, it jumps. So it's a resolution, but it's enough to do really nice things. You will see. Particle size is the average that we are working. Okay, only needs a little bit more care, but it's quite similar to the standard one. I hope on the price also, I think is quite similar. What you can get also with applying with the solid is really new things. Today we are applying only granillas, but there is already people thinking in apply other things, serigraphic colors, solids. We have customers that they ask us to apply with the solid. They ask us to apply metals and many other things. So there is a really long future in this K9 digital solid application. This is yes.
ایشون توضیح میده که با این هدای K9 این نیست که فقط گرانیل یا بتونیم اپلای کنیم، بلکه ما پیش بینی کردیم که هر چیزی که در آینده قراره به صورت پودر بیاد رو بتونه اپلای کنه. حالا دارن روش کار میکنن، حالا اینا لیستشو گذاشته که چه چیزایی هست و هر چی در آینده بیاد با همین ماشین K9 به راحتی قابل اعماله. حالا متال باشه یا چیزای دیگه که حالا اینجا نوشته، من نمیدونم چی میخواد بیاد. شاید شما بهتر بدونید.
Okay, let's see a little bit the printed working on production. Okay. You see this is the final product. Well, this is a production video, a little bit more handmade. Okay, this is our granilla. The feeding system at the end is granilla, it's powder. It's similar to the ones that we have on the presses and all these kind of things. I hope you can see it, how it prints, how it throws the granilla when it passes. Normally we connect both machines, okay, the decoration and after the granilla machine. In this case, we have this customer has nearly many colors and many effects. We can print the different faces. That's why they need to be synchronized in some way for the cleaning, for many other things. How it works, really? What we have is one bar of glue and several bars of granilla. In every granilla, in every bar, we can put one granilla. We can put the same in all. We can put different. This is the power that I can combine them, okay? Also, it works with the different phases, combine it with the other, okay? In this case, I think they are working both with the same kind of granilla.
حالا تو این ویدیو می‌بینید که دو تا ماشین رو چجور با هم سینکرونایز کردن و
I wanted also to hear the noise of the printed working, okay? But they remove it. It's okay. No, it's okay. You see the blue part, also we print it outside, so it's more easy to see when it prints. Okay. We are applying per bar 300 grams more or less of granilla, okay? With one machine with 3 grams, you cannot glue all of them. So one machine with 3 bars, maybe you are gluing 700. Possible to make lapatos, yes, but it's not for polishing. This machine is for decoration. It's to get new things, not to do what we are doing already, okay? One example of configuration of machine. Here we have, for example, the first bar is glue. Then I have 2 modules of granilla, another bar of glue, and another module of granilla. Okay, I can put the same on. I can put 3 different because the feeding system is free, but even everybody is independent. So if I wanted to do third firing and feed it manually, I could put up to 6. Okay, but this is crazy. The good thing is, yes, you can create what nobody else can create. Okay, to compare this. Of these 3 machines, we were talking about maybe one serigraphy, after one granilla machine, after again serigraphy, again granilla machine, serigraphy, and again granilla machine. Really, here is you have it all in one single machine. Okay.
به سنگ طبیعی حتی رسیده. البته هیچ کدوم برای پولیش نیست. اکثرا دکوره. اینا در اون حدی که بشه پولیشش کرد نیستش و انواع اینجا ببینید روی کاشی که از قبل ریلیف داره اپلای شده.
and many others, okay? Tomorrow, okay, we see Kerajet machines, we see the solid, we see the high lay down, how we complete the full digital line, okay, this is real. Kerajet, what will be tomorrow? What will be next? Really, we are working in projects for Kera Press with continuous feeding. We believe next, by the beginning of the next year, but next Cevizama, we will presenting. The Express for, with the technology of K9, we have developed one machine for feeding for technical porcelain, okay, before the press. Really interesting. Body inks, the new hide lay down of the printed, it let us, these body inks like related to, like with the soluble salts. We all know the soluble salts, but they are really hard to manage. We are in a project of investigation also to prepare inks that you only print. We will see some samples. And download the new developments. I'm not going to extend much more. I will show you really what the new samples with body inks we have. And sorry.
الان چند نمونه از جوهرهای جدیدی که کار کردن برای اپلای روی بدنه میخواد نشون بده. On the body.
On the body, yes. For example, this is the new body inks that with printheads with high the new printheads that they discharge more. Is able, and with the special inks, okay, is we're able to print on the body without glaze, but there is no need of penetration, the penetrator, okay. The final aspect, it depends also on the body. You can have it whiter, better colors, or it depends on the use that you get. But the final aspect is the real stone, okay. This for the what is the world of the stone. The touch of the polish of the body really is incredible, and also the colors and everything. This, if somebody is interested to present it, because if somebody is thinking to start in the technical porcelain, they have polished porcelain and they want to change, and they want to, I don't know, is really interested to get in contact with us, because this we will by the end of the year, most probably we start to commercialize a solution for this. Okay, I'm not going to give more details because really I prefer if somebody is interested to explain and to come. Okay.
این تکنولوژی جدید اپلای به اصطلاح چاپ روی بدنه تکنیکال پورسلانه که داریم روش کار میکنیم. حالا اگه دوستان هر کدوم خواستن دیتیل بیشتری من در خدمتشون هستم، ولی به هر حال چیزایی که تو آینده دارن. The other one is polished.
The other one is polished, no, but is body printed and polished. There is no glaze, but it's polished, yes. Mm-hmm. Okay, the final polish.
You polish the ink,
yes, you polish the ink, actually, okay? You you fired, and after you polish the ink. So, but with the new printheads that they will download a lot, and new special inks, they can penetrate a lot in the body, okay? The printheads with high download, most probably also some other, there is printer manufacturers, they will print better, okay? And the inks, really, this is a new project. So I'm not able to explain much more, okay? I'm able to explain that they will be presented by the end of the year and is real, okay? It's like an alternative to the soluble salts that they are really hard to manage, okay?
در حقیقت این جایگزین سولوبل سالت داره میشه که یه خورده منیج کردنش مشکل بوده و به اصطلاح تا آخر امسال معرفی میشه و من حالا توضیحات بیشتر رو تو خصوصی به قول بچه‌ها اگه کسی خواست.
Now, also I wanted to introduce what we have Kerajet in Iran, but already my colleague Mr. Romano, and also most of you already know, we have over 40 machines per warehouse, local machinery, local assistance, commercial also. We come really often. Most of you also see me. We are over the country because, yes, and if you have whatever doubt, we will have a booth this afternoon. We will be all the week. Okay, you can contact me or Mr. Romano for any other issue. Okay. thank you. I hope, sorry for all the issues, okay, the technical issues. To be the first is what it has, okay. I was asking, can I have my computer here? No, it's not possible. And at the end, is what it was.
خیلی عذرخواهی میکنیم بابت وقفه‌ای که پیش اومد و چند تا وقفه که پیش اومد. ایشون میفرمایند که من خواستم کامپیوتر خودمو بذارم که میدونستم میتونم منیجش کنم، ولی گفتن نه به هیچ وجه نمیشه و ما چون نفر اول بودیم یه مقدار این مشکلات به وجود اومد. ممنون از توجهی که داشتین. این چند روز اینجا هستیم، اگه هر کدوم از دوستان خواستن که در خدمتشون هستیم. خیلی ممنون، لطف کردین، از توجهتون ممنون.
خیلی مرسی.
آیه جناب آقای مهندس پدرام، آیه رومانو روبین، خواهش می‌کنم یه بار دیگه تشویقشون بفرمایید این سه تا دوست عزیزمون رو که با تهیه صدرشون پرزنتیشن خوبی رو برای شما به ارمغان آوردن. به نظر من در مجموع پرزنتیشن خیلی خوبی بود، چون افکت ها و مواردی که اشاره شد بهش در دستگاه دیجیتال کراجت فکر میکنم به خاطر این هستش که این شرکت هزینه بسیار زیادی رو در تحقیقات و نوآوری داره، روی افکت‌های جدید کار میکنه، کاری که در حقیقت فقط تخصص خودش، یعنی کراجت دستگاه دیگه‌ای به غیر از دستگاه چاپ دیجیتال تولید نمیکنه.